shopping. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no clothes. High fashion, like go yard, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you wanna shoot with the red and bottom, baby. You know I like when you ride at the top, baby. She wants Chanel, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, guys, need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty, cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go home. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, bitch? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of bitch. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, bitch. Now you wanna shoot with the red and bottom, bitch. You know I like when you ride at the top, bitch. If I hit it running back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. Then she got a husband with her, take her back to Milo. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And her name ain't Megan, but she a stallion. My whole divided. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride. And the sneakers all pins on. Shawty know to drop it low like a liver. How we think it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of play. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shit with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you're right at the top, babe.
To me on many levels. I think there are a lot of layers to this exhibition. One being the fact that I've been in this library since I was a little girl. Just running around, being a part of the children's library, also being one of the youngest people that was actually on payroll as well.
I didn't want to talk about it.
But just being in this room, I remember even doing like karaoke on the Wii a very long time ago. So I think to have a homecoming in my first little exhibition here is honestly very special. So thank you again, Allison, for that. Two, for this exhibition to be on Martha's Vineyard, Noete, our native land, means so much to me. If I had to have it anywhere, I would want it to be here. So I'm just blessed and able to be here. I'm very grateful to have all of my family, my tribe surrounding me. This show just means so much because Beauty and Remembrance, I think, is literally what we are doing today. You know, remembering, embodying, gathering, being in community with each other, and carrying that on. So that means so much. Continuing that legacy is so important. I think that that's what I try to show in my work. So you see I have a lot of portraits that are up here, and then some collage and photography that I've done. So I just think, again, I just want to thank all of you for coming, and also a big part of the show is paying tribute to,
Destiny, we understand, we all love her.
She must be on the boat.
my great-grandmother, Swan, Grace Holman, just a pillar, a matriarch, an amazing woman, and I know that a lot of us wouldn't be here today and be the people that we are today without her. So I just wanted to make sure that I was able to pay tribute and say that this show, my first show, is a tribute to her, her life, and her legacy. So, thank you.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, baby, lady, you could show me things.